Okay, this is genuinely the last video. These are just quizzes for testing your understanding, really to be watched only when you've done everything else. So for each of these, I'm going to give you a proposition, and I'm going to ask you, which tactics do you need besides intros and apply? Okay, here's the first one. For all x, for all AB of type x, A equals B, and A does not equal B implies false. Okay, well, let's see. You can use intros to get these into your context. You can use intros to get both of these in your context, and then you should be able to use apply to work it out. So you don't need to unfold this. If you said unfold, that's fine, but you don't actually need it. But you'll apply this, that'll change. This is the same as A equals B implies false. You'll apply that there, your goal will change to A equals B, and then you'll say, okay, apply that one. If you're unsure, you can just copy this down and then prove the lemma yourself. You can do it really just with intros and apply. Okay, next one. What about this? For all propositions PQ, P or Q implies not P or Q. What do you think? So this can be done with just intros and apply in a very cheaty way. This is an instance of double neg, where P is P or Q, right? You could just say intros PQ, apply double neg. It's nice, right? Now, alternatively, if we go back to double neg, you could just you could say intros PQH and then do exactly the same reasoning, in which case, okay, unfold if you want it, but really just intros and apply. Okay, what about this one? The right answer here is one of left and right. Which one is it? That's right, left. It's a confusing way to say that. That's correct. It's left, right? You intros A, B, and A, and then you say left, and then apply the assumption that A holds. What about this? Okay, how would this one work? Well, again, this is at core double neg, but you need to look at this. You need to know, do you have P or Q? Because these double negations are sort of inside, right? If we wanted to draw parentheses, they would go here. Though you don't need to, it's unambiguous. So in that case, you need a destruct to say, hey, am I in P world or in Q world? If you're in P world, then you would say left. And then you would say, okay, double neg. Or redo double neg's logic using intros and apply. Or if you're in Q world, you'll say right. Then you'll say, okay, let's do double neg. So the answer is this, right? You need destruct to determine which world you're in. You might want unfold or not. It's actually not necessary, but then you do need left and right. So destruct left and right, really, this option is up to you whether or not you do any unfolding, because you could just do double neg as well. Okay, last one. Okay. This is the key bit. What do you do to these? You use discriminate. Intros and discriminate, that's all you really need. Okay, great. If you're unsure about any of these, I think these all make great practice exercises. You can just copy these down, write them down from the video, or if you like, I can try to find a text form because they won't be in your full file. But hopefully you got all those right. If you didn't, I think spending some time thinking about these, you can practice with someone else. They show you a proposition that we've proved with the proof that you've already done. And then you say, hey, what do you need to prove this? And then you kind of describe how the proof should look is, I think, great practice for sort of honing your prover's intuition. Okay. Sorry again for the incredibly long video day. Hopefully the fact that the homework is not enormous makes up for that. I am sort of rejiggering things as this unit goes on, so I'm going to try to adjust things down a bit, though there is a lot for us to learn. and tomorrow will be a big day too. Sorry. Talk to you soon.